So all the wiring is done, and now we're working to make it look pretty. You see all that drywall pieces cut to size and screwed in, and then later we're gonna putty it over it and paint it and make it look so nice. Look at that right there. So sizing it up, cutting that little piece. Oh man, they already cut the holes for that and they recessed that. It's going to look so nice. Wow, I finally have a smart home panel installed and it looks so well integrated in my home. And then I'll have batteries down here and the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X right next to it. And yeah, it's flashing red because we're at 17% juice. I just plugged these batteries in directly, receiving them from EcoFlow, and they had about 20% juice on them, and now we're down to about 17%. Still solid. 492 watt being pulled out of them through this AC outlet port right there. And it's powering the lights for us, because without that, it would be pretty dark and hard to work without these lights. So really awesome that we have this now installed in our home. Super nice to have this modular system delivering up to 12 kilowatt of power and no soft start needed for ACs or anything like that. And it's finally, I would say, to a point where this is super suitable for pretty much any home. It rivals any other home power backup solutions out there. In fact, I think it's better than all of the other home solutions out there. And I love the fact that this is fully modular. I love the fact that if I ever move, I can take this with me. I love the fact that I can upgrade this super easily. And I can also take this with me when I go camping, so I can have power on the go. It's just like these little units, but with much more power. And I don't need to carry everything. I just need the Delta Pro Ultra X head and one battery, or I can bring two batteries to maximize the power output, and I can add more battery to maximize the capacity. It's pretty awesome. Super solid system. Very excited. They do come in these big boxes right there, but now it's installed. It's looking super nice. Wow. All that has been done in one day's work. They started around 8:30, 8:45 a.m. and it's roughly close to 4 p.m. now, and they are wrapping up. That includes a break for lunch, and they also worked on some of other things around my house too. So really cool that they're able to get this done in one day. Definitely something that would take much longer if it was any other type of home backup power. This is just so simple, easy, and it looks good too. Look at that thing. That looks awesome. Very futuristic, and it just vibes well with the home design I have here, with the gateway right there, with the EV charger here, and we got the hex light and everything. It's just the modern vibe. Smart home panel. That's where it's all at, guys.